The EZVIZ BC1 B2 CCTV cameras are designed for home security with several standout features. These cameras offer high-definition video quality, ensuring clear and detailed footage. They are equipped with night vision, allowing 24/7 monitoring, even in complete darkness. The cameras are wireless, making them easy to install without complex wiring. They also have a long-lasting battery life, which reduces the need for frequent recharging. These features make the cameras ideal for monitoring entrances, backyards, and other important areas around your home, providing peace of mind and enhanced security. At Alpha Capital Security Systems LLC, we offer and install the EZVIZ BC1 B2 CCTV camera, giving you top-quality security solutions. You can contact us on +971 55 408 4213 or visit our website for more information.